Assembling of main engine exhaust valve Mitsui MAN B&W S46ME-B. After thorough cleaning of all parts with a spare valve spindle and valve seat, renew all O-rings and seal rings as needed. Mount the valve seat and the valve housing, and tighten the retaining screw of the valve seat. Lubricate the inside of the spindle guide with plenty of lubricating oil. Carefully insert the exhaust valve spindle and take care not to damage the seal rings in the spindle guide. Carefully land the air cylinder on the exhaust valve housing and check that the lubricating pins engages correctly. Put on the setting tool on top of the air cylinder. Inspect the air piston, seal rings, and guide ring. Fill the bottom of the air cylinder up to the drain hole of the safety valve with clean lubricating oil. Put on the air piston. Lower the air piston over the valve spindle down into the air cylinder. Mount the two-part cone pieces and slowly supply compressed air into the vent plug to lift the air piston up around the cone pieces. Mount the disc on top of the air piston and by means of 4 screws, tighten the air piston and the disc together. After cleaning and visually checking of all parts, mount the oil cylinder on top of the air cylinder, tighten the nuts, and mount the safety strap and tighten again the nuts.